Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing something really different today. We won't be touching any BMW today. Today we'll be dealing with Mercedes. And I'd really like to say today we're going to do on the bench testing for a Mercedes EIS module. So right here we got our EIS testing tool, as you can see. So it's EIS ESL testing tool. And right here we got a Mercedes. This is the EIS module. This came from a 2004 Mercedes E320. And it's actually right here. So it's a 211. So normally it would be a W211. So that's how you identify the module, guys. So this is the EIS module from a Mercedes. And today we're going to be showing you how we're doing it on the bench testing. So that way we're going to test to see if the keys is programmed to that EIS module. And right here we got a Mercedes key. Already did the key. This key is already programmed to this EIS module. And over here, we got the steering lock module right here, as you can see. So what it does, once you insert the key into the ignition and it recognizes the key once the key is properly programmed to the car, and this EIS module right here, this is a steering lock that actually release, so that way the steering wheel could turn. So if it doesn't detect a program key inserted in the ignition, this steering lock will engage, so that way there's no way you're going to turn that steering wheel. And if this goes bad in the car and you're trying to remove it, you're going to actually have to damage this tool, this piece right here, this part. You got to damage it in order for you to remove it from the car. So let's get started. So now we're going to start with our EIS module right here. And if you guys could see, we got 3 connections right here, right there. There's 3 connections. And today we're going to be using this cable right here. So as you see, this cable actually works. It works for 209, 211, and 220. So it'd be W209, W211, W220 EIS module. And over here, we got the connectors. It's gonna tell you right here, it says ESL, EVL. And on the other one, we got EIS and EZS. So that's the module that they're talking about right here. So, and this is going to be the connector that goes to the steering lock module. And this is the connector that's going to go to the EIS module. So you're going to be plugging it in on this side right here on the left. I'm going to plug it in. Oops, nope, that's it right there. All right, so we're going to plug it in. All right, guys, so that's it. So that's our first step right there. All right, so next, I want to make sure you guys seeing this, guys, right here. Then over here, we're going to connect the steering lock module, which is right here. So this is our steering lock module. So the connection right there. Make sure you guys could see the groove right there. Goes in. That's it, guys. That's it. So now I'm gonna put this flat right there. Put it flat. Okay. Okay, we gotta watch this, guys. So that's connected. And over here, we got the connection. So this is actually the EVL and ESL. So we're gonna connect it right here. because I'm using one hand, guys, so bear with me, I'm using one hand. So you got to make sure there's going to be some lights over here, so you want to make sure you're connecting it right. So as you see, you got to make sure you check right here, so it's labeled, and make sure you check this tag to make sure you're using the right connector. Then you connect it right here. All right, guys, bear with me, I'm using one hand. Right there. All right, so we're going to connect it right here. Okay, so that's our first connection. And then we're going to do the same thing right here. The EIS, EZS. So now we're going to connect it. Same thing, same procedure. Make sure the lights where the part is going to be on top. Then we're going to connect it right here, and it says it in the tool right there. As you see, it tells you where you connect it. All right, guys, so bear with me while I put my phone down. I'm going to connect it. Okay, guys, there we go. So that's it. That's all set up right here. All right, so now we need to get our 12-volt power connected. All right, so this is our 12-volt power. It's gonna go right there. There we go, guys. That's it. All right, maybe I need to cut the light a little bit so you guys can see a little better. All right. All right, so now it's connected, guys. So now I want you guys to watch to see right here. So when you insert the key, this steering lock module should release, so that way the steering wheel could turn. As you see, as I insert the key, see, that's it. That's it, guys. And then now I could actually turn the key inside the EIS module. There we go. See, I turned the key. All right, so now we're going to turn it off, remove the key. There we go. So this EIS is programmed, this key is programmed to this EIS module, and this steering lock module is programmed to this EIS. They all program in the same system. Because if this EIS is not programmed to the steering lock module, this steering lock module will not unlock. And if you put a different key inside this EIS module, it's not going to unlock the steering wheel. It's not going to work, and it's not going to turn. So as you see, I insert the key inside it right here. Insert the key. All right, there we go. You hear it? That's the sound right there, guys. That's the sound. So that way you know that this key is programmed to this EIS module. And see, that steering lock module is programmed and it's working perfectly fine, guys. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Thank you.